Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some highly requested hairstyle ideas. Here we have this color transformation. Wow. Beautiful blonde pixie style. I love the overall shape and height that this pixie has. And then the color just elevates it even more. Such a cute hairstyle idea. So moving on to look number 2. It's like she gets a bit of a cut refresh here into more of a shorter mini bob. Very nice. It also seems like she did go lighter on the coloring as well. And then we hop right into a color transformation. So this looks kind of like a cotton candy unicorn-esque inspired coloring. And we saw that there was tinsel put in the hair. That's a very popular hair trend right now. Very cute. Whoa. Okay, I was about to say, wow. She has some super long hair, like almost past tailbone length. Like it's just very long and it's very thick and full. So it looks like the stylist is cutting some layers here, giving the hair a bit of some shape. Wow, absolutely gorgeous head full of hair. She got the curtain bangs in the front. And then we hop into another bob haircut transformation. Nice, simple, and chic for that one. And then here we'll have a color change. So she has a lot of colors going on here. So there is the before and there is the after. She gets a bob haircut here as well. And a nice blonde color. Very nice. Such a drastic and dramatic transformation. I love it. Next up, we have someone who has a blonde bob. She's got some broken off pieces there mixed in overall. Ooh, and she gets the hair cut and shaped into this head, turning pixie. Beautiful bright blonde color. Oh, this is so cute. Another gorgeous dramatic transformation. So the stylist is cutting some layers for the next style. It looks like you might be doing like a layered shaggy cut or bob. Oh, it's like a shaggy pixie. Oh, wow. Look at the texture here. I like the color too. It's like a really pretty chocolate brown with a hint of red. Yeah, it's definitely, I would say that was more of like a bixie haircut in between pixie and a bob style. And then here for the next one, another dramatic transformation. So he's chopping all the hair off. The trimmer. Alright, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these hairstyle ideas featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.